Hey there everyone, in this quick video of FreeCAD, I'm going to talk about auto recovery and backup setting in FreeCAD. For example, here you can see I just open FreeCAD and then here there are two model or two parts that I mistakenly closed but are saved and ready to get recovered. All you need to do in that case is you need to hit start recovery and need to click on finish. Now let's talk about how you can also do that such that you never lose your idea or model. For that, all you need to do is you need to go to edit, then go to preferences, and then go to general, and here in general option you need to click on document. And now here we have got this option which says that save auto recovery information in every. Now by default it is 15 minutes, but let's say you want to reduce it, you can make it like 2 minutes or maybe 5 minutes. So what this setting will do is this will keep on saving your data in every 5 minutes, and then it's up to you if you also want to run auto recovery at startup, just like the way you saw. I just started FreeCAD and I saw that auto recovery option that was giving me option to recover 2 documents. So if you want that kind of thing, you can also enable this. So in this way guys, you can auto recover your document without being worried about. Now last thing I wanted to talk about, what if I'm gonna set this time as 1 minute? Well, you can do that, but lower intervals mean more frequent backup but larger file sizes. So the good balance is to keep it 10 to 15 minutes as it was. But again, it is totally up to you how much you want to keep. Hope you find this video helpful and informational. Subscribe to Engineering Pritam to follow complete FreeCAD series.